come running to you. It's been so long since I held you tight. I still dream about you, darling, every night. I don't care who was wrong or right, I'll come running to you. Now all my love belongs to you. That's just the way that I feel. If you would give me the least little chance, I'll show you my love is real. Well, I'm not a bit ashamed to sit here and wait. If that's all that I got to do, I'll be around when your new love turns you down. I'll come running